Now students, today what we are going to learn, jugs and mugs. I think you have already come across Shomita ma'am's video. She has already discussed a few formulas to you. Suppose how to convert liters into milliliters. We know 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. So this formula has been given to you. Now here in this particular chapter, jugs and mugs, we are going to discuss about liquids and their measurements in mainly liters and milliliters. Now as you know that when we are getting these formulas, so the foremost thing that we are doing is conversion. Conversion stands for converting from liters to milliliters. So better we take a look at an example and begin our session. Coming to the next board, suppose we have been given, now I want to say one thing that students, you will write them in your classwork copy. Now suppose you have been given convert 100 liters into milliliter. See that students, it's been given you have to convert 100 liters into milliliters. So basically this is a very easy sum. You have to put the formulas, and using that formula you can very easily calculate this sum. So we begin our solution on the next page. We come to the next board. Here we write solution 100 liter. We'll write it down first. Then we'll write 1 liter is equals to 1000 ml. 1 liter is equals to 1000 ml. Now 1 liter is equals to 1000 ml. Now when we come across this part, see that what do we need to do? We need to just multiply 100 by 1000 more, and see we will get 1 lakh milliliter. So basically this will be our conversion from liter to milliliter. Now this was a very easy sum. Only from liter you need to convert to milliliter. Now suppose there are certain examples where the quantity is given in liters and milliliters and you have to convert them into milliliter. Now we come across such quantities now in our second example. Now for example 2, suppose you have been given convert 17 liter 25 ml into milliliter. Now students, as you know that in the previous few chapters like time, tick tick tick, there you have converted minutes to seconds. And how you have done that? Suppose you have been given 2 hour 13 minutes. So what you have done? You have converted them into minutes first, 2 hour into minutes, and added them. Similar things we will be doing over here. Now how we will begin our solution? You see, we write it down the sum. Now next we write down the formula. 1 liter is equals to 1000 ml. Now after writing the formula, what we are going to do? Now we are introducing a few brackets, and we are writing the expression like this. So it turns out to be 17,000 plus 25. Now we include it totally within our brackets and write milliliters for it. So it turns out to be 17025 ml, that is 17,025 ml. Whenever we are converting 17 liter 25 ml into milliliters, we are getting 17,025 ml. Now this was our second type of sum, where the quantity is given in liters and milliliters, but we have to convert it into milliliter. Now suppose that the quantity is given in milliliter and you have to convert it into liter and milliliter. That means just the reverse thing that we have done over here, we are going to do in the next page or next sum. Now coming to example 3, suppose you have been given convert 19096 milliliters into liter and milliliter. You have been given convert 19,096 milliliter into liter and milliliter. Now what you will be doing over here, listen carefully once, that first of all you have to divide it by 1000. I am going to do that calculation also, just orally I am saying. You have to divide it by 1000 and there will be two parts. The quotient part will represent the quantity of liters and the remainder part will represent, if any is there, obviously there you will get remainder, will represent the milliliter part. Coming to the solution. We write down the quantity once again. Now see that there is a big change in the positioning of our formula. 1000 ml gives us 1 liter. We have just interchanged the positioning. Now what we do, we try to divide it by 1000. This quantity 19,096 by, we are trying to divide it into 1000. Now we come to the next board. Here we will divide it by 1000. One time I am writing the quotient above it. So here you will get this thing, subtract the value, you will get 909 and 6 will come down over here. Take 9 times, then you will get 9000 and 96 will be remember. Now here if you take a close look, I am pointing out in red, this part will be the value in liters, and what I am pointing out in violet or purple, this part will be the value in milliliters. So our final answer will be 19 liter 96 milliliter. We come over here to the next board. So our answer will be 19 liter 96 milliliter. Now some of you might be asking how to verify this. Now what you do for the verification part, it's not necessary that everybody needs to verify it, but if you want, you can verify it like this. Suppose you have got this answer, what you do, 19 liter, you multiply it by 1000, you get 19,000 ml. Now you add 96 more to it, move to the next board, you will get 19,096 ml. See that we have received the same value that we have started from. Now this verification is not necessarily to be shown in classwork copy or in class test copy or during exam, but this is necessary for you to understand. If you think that it is, if you have any suspicion regarding the answer, you can just verify yourself. So this will be your verification. Coming to next topic, which is addition. Now today what we are going to do, first of all we have to add a few values. We are going to add a few values. Now suppose we have to add 26 liter 3 ml and 32 liter and 58 ml. Now see, you generally know that any milliliter quantity should always be in 3 digits, because till 999 the unit is milliliter. See here, 3 digits are not found in any of these. In one of them we are finding 1 digit, suppose here, and the other one we are finding 2 digits here. but we need to arrange them properly while adding, because we can have more than two quantities also. Coming to the solution part, first of all you will make two columns like this: liters, milliliters. Here you write 26 under liters, and what you do, in milliliters you write 003. Instead of 3 only you write 003. That will help you out. Now you put the addition sign and write 32 over here under liters and 058 under milliliters. Clearly you add them up, you have got this value: 58 liter 061 milliliter. While writing the answer, you can write only 58 liter and 61 milliliter also. So if someone writes it as 58 liter and 61 milliliter, then he or she is also correct. 58 liter 061 milliliter, or you can write 58 liter 61 milliliter. This part is over. Now we move to our fifth sum. Here we are going to add three quantities. Suppose we are going to add the following quantities: 3 liter 259 ml, we are putting a comma, 7 liter 946 ml, and 3 liter 768 ml. So we are going to add 3 liter 259 ml, 7 liter 946 ml, and 3 liter 768 ml. Now for the solution part, we come to the next board. Write here solution, make a chart. On left side we write liters, and on the right side we write milliliters. So we write down the values one after the other: 3 liter 259 ml, then 7 liter 946 ml, and 3 liter 768 ml. Now post writing this, what we are going to do, we'll add the values. 8 plus 6 14 plus 9 23, that means carry 2. 2 plus 5 7 11 17, that means 7 over here, carry 1. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 9 12, 12 plus 7 19, carry 1 again. So 1 plus 3 4, 7 11 14. So see that you will finally get 14 liter 973 ml. So we move to the next board and write it down: 14 liter 973 ml. So in this way we can add three quantities also. Further, if four quantities are also given, you can add them. So this was our session for today. Hope you liked it. So better write them down in your classwork copy. Thank you.